Good morning, my all beloved friends. My name is Swastika Mandal and I am a student of Jetras Institute. Today I am gonna share a very beautiful topic of today. Today's topic is beauty. Beauty is not just an object, it's one of the virtues of human life. Beauty is the essence of everything. But what is beauty? How to be beautiful? We all love beauty, but we don't know what's the real beauty. Beauty is the thing which we all love. But should we know what's the beauty? There are so many people around us who only judge others from the outside. They don't like to judge from the inside. They don't like to judge anyone from the inner attitude of that person. I have also one question to you. Can beauty harm anyone? Can beauty harm anyone? No. But the thing which we think beauty is not harmful, judge yourself. For presenting so many questions in front of you, I have to share a short but effective incident with all of you. This incident is based on the myth of India. So my friends, long time ago, that time Ramchandra and his Lakshman was in the Vanabas according to their father's words. They were traveling in a forest, but in that forest there was an ashram which was of Mata Shabari's. Mata Sabari was an octogenarian person. She was too ugly and for the age her skin was too rough. But she was too kind-hearted. She was too beautiful. Her soul was totally sacred. My friend, you can't believe that in every time, in every hour, in every second, she always judged the name of Ramchandra. She always worshipped him because he was a great venerator of Ramchandra. She always wants that for only one time, Ramchandra will come to my ashram. Every day in the witness of Ramchandra, she always decorated the path of the ashram with beautiful flowers like Padma, like Gandha, like China roses, in different kind of roses. And do you believe that the all work of Mata Shabari will go in vain? No. God is always with us. For this cause Ramchandra, while visiting that village, they felt so much hungry and became too much thirsty also. They were also too tired for those cause. For this cause they went to that ashram, and while entering that ashram, they saw a flower decoration of a flower. Seeing that, Lakshman became too happy that, oh my God, the road is too beautiful, isn't it? That time Ramchandra also agreed and decided to enter in that ashram. Mata Shabari told that, who are you? Why are you spoiling my whole work? Don't you know that I have made this all decoration for my Lord Sri Ramchandra? That time Ramchandra and Lakshman gave their identity. While getting the identity, Mata Shabari became too shocked that with whom I have behaved so. I shouldn't behave with them like this. I am the venerator of Ramchandra and I have behaved so much badly with them. Why I have did so? Hearing this, Ramchandra told that, no Mata, that there is no fault of yours. You have never seen me. For this cause, every man did a mistake. You have also did, there is no problem. Mata, we are too much hungry. Could you give us some food? That time Mata Shabari became too much happy by hearing that Mata word from his Prabhu. She became too much happy. She rushed to that forest and took so many delicious fruits in her shari and rushed to that ashram. She gave those food by watering normally to Lakshman. But while giving Ramchandra those foods, at first she tested those and then she gave those to him. So my friends, could you understand that why she has did so? Okay, I will explain this by Ramchandra's word after some time. Let's continue with me. Mata Shabari did at first tested those fruits, then she gave those to Ramchandra. Ramchandra was eating those so much peacefully and he was also enjoying that moment. But Lakshman became too much angry by seeing that someone is giving oath to his brother. Why she has did so? She is too ugly. For discussing, he told all of his expressions to Ramchandra. Ramchandra heard it and told that, do your own work. But we know that Lakshman was too much fond of his brother. For this cause he again shouted in this way. Mother Shabari felt too much sad. But that time Ramchandra explains in a very good way. He told that, Mata Kaushalya, could you remember her? Then Lakshman told, why? Obviously. She is our mother, why not? Could you remember her work in our childhood? She always gave our oath of her. Could you tell me why? That time Lakshman told, obviously, at first she tested those foods that are they harmful for us or are they poisonous for us? Are they too much delicious for us? Then she gave us those. That time Ramchandra told that the case is same in case of Mata Shabari. Mata Shabari is also think us as her sons. For this cause he is giving us in this way. Don't insult anyone by judging only her outside. Always see that inside of Mata Shabari is too sacred, too holy. See her, you can see the hello of the Mata Shabari. That time Lakshman could understand his fault and beg mercy to Mata Shabari. So my friends, I have too many questions in front of you. You have to answer those. My friends, using deodorant isn't good. Tell me. Or the fragrance of character is too good. Using makeup is good. Or the having a good smile is good. Could you tell me that beauty is at the root of every complaint and every solution? Could you tell me? No. If you have those answers and if your answers are yes, then you also have the strong voice and you have also told me in this way that beauty is at the ultimate top of the humanity in front of which the whole humankind bow their head. Thank you so much.